Hello. Today, testing the air horn, part 2. So loud. Anyways, so, this air horn, it looks like this can is pretty small, but I don't think that can last any longer, so I know which one is that can last longer for years. The big air horn. The big air horn, it used to be last longer than the small one or the medium. But the big one is the longest one, so it can last for like a year or so until it needs to be refilled. So anyways, but this is only 1.4 ounce. So this one's not going to last any longer because it's going to run out fast. So here, I'll sound it off one more time. And there you have it. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.